You mean this? No, don't say kick. Okay.
Wassabi Productions!
Behind the scenes.
Ew.
We're using a prime lens on this, so it has really strong depth of focus.
Sorry, it is depth of field, not focus. This is the comparison of how clear and sharp Roy's face is and how blurry the background is to add a cinematic effect. Pretty cool, right?
So if Roy moves around too much, he's gonna get out of focus. So we're gonna see how animated his face can get while staying still.
You're doing it wrong. It's like this. It's so hot. It's like this. Oh, camera! I looked at the camera. You mean this? No, it's like. It's like this. It's like this. It's hard to like do all these things and then remember where to look to. It's like this.
Guess what I learned to do today, though?
What? What are you up to?
Yo, not much, man. You can do it too?
Wait, can we watch up and see? Like, what are you up to, man?
Yo, not much, dude.